Good morning to all. I'd like to welcome my dear students to science class, and I hope and believe that you are well by the grace of God. And today we will discuss chapter 7, and topic is given here, healthy lifestyle. It is very, very important, healthy lifestyle. Introduction is given. A healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. However, we may get diseases through we have healthy lifestyle. Lesson 1. Infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are the diseases that caused by the entrance of germs such as bacteria, virus, fungi into the body. The diseases can be spread directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. From one person to another person. Let us see ways of spreading infectious diseases. Infectious diseases can spread in different ways. Such diseases can pass from person to person through their air. When someone coughs and sneezes, we may get infectious diseases by using glass, plate, chair, table, clothes, toilets, etc. Now let us learn 2 types of infectious diseases. First, we will know airborne diseases. Airborne diseases are the diseases caused by germs and transmitted through the air due to coughing, sneezing, or talking. Example, we can see the example: swine flu, chickenpox, and the influenza. Second, waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are the diseases caused by taking water contaminated with the germs. Example, we can see there are many types of waterborne diseases, including diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, and the typhoid. Third, contact diseases. Contact diseases are diseases caused by direct or indirect contact and infected person. Flu, Ebola are such kinds of diseases. AIDS is different kinds of infectious diseases caused by HIV virus. Next, lesson 3, prevention and cure of infectious diseases. Infectious diseases spread through germs. The most important things that we can do is to improve our immune system and to stop the spread of germs. So we need to improve our immune system so that we can prevent it. We can keep our body healthy by eating and balanced diet. Very, very important. And next, using safe water and washing hands regularly. We can also prevent infectious diseases by covering face during cough and sneezing with tissues. Getting vaccinations and avoiding unhygienic foods help reduce the risks of the diseases. Now let us see how to cure infectious diseases. When we get disease, taking rest, eating nutritious food, and drinking enough safe water will help us get better. So we need to take rest, eating nutritious food, and drinking enough water so that we can have good health. Lesson 4. Puberty. Puberty is the time in life when our body begins to develop and change from the body of child to the body of a teenager. Usually, puberty begin between age 8 and 13. We need to remember it. It started age 8 and 13 in girls and age 9 and 15 in boys. During puberty, physical, emotional and the behavior change occur from boys and girls. Change in the body during the puberty. Several physical changes occur in puberty, like growing taller, changing shape or body, sweating more, body weight increasing during puberty. For boys, changing of voice, well shaping of muscles. At puberty, girls' muscles are also started shaping, but not as much as boys. Taking care of the body during the puberty. During the puberty, someone might feel confused. When this age is come, then someone can feel confused about something or having strong emotional sense. Someone you might feel overly sensitive or become upset easily. And next, maintaining personal hygienic and taking nutritious food in very important at this time. Remember, everyone goes through puberty and it is a natural sense. It is a natural sense. If you are worried about something, you do talk to your parents, teachers, or your elder brother or sister. Mark it. You can talk with the parents, teachers, elder brother and sisters. In conclusion, to maintain a healthy lifestyle, you need to keep eating healthy. So we need to maintain our healthy lifestyle. Add more fruits and vegetables in your diet and eat less carbohydrate, high sodium and unhealthy fat. Avoid eating junk food and sweets. We need to avoid junk food and sweet. Healthy living is a lifelong effect. Again, trying to read. Healthy living is a lifelong effect. That means we the human beings, we want to live long life. So if we want to live long life, then we need to maintain our healthy lifestyle. If we maintain our healthy lifestyle, I am sure that we can live long. Thank you so much for your listening. Have a good time.